Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to screen record on the Oppo A5x. Now, to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Now, in the control center, just tap on screen record. Now, if you cannot find the screen record icon in your control center, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on edit tiles. Under more tiles, just search for the screen recording option. And once you find the screen recording option, just tap on it to add it to your control center. Once you add the screen recording option to your control center, then go back. And from here, you will find the screen recording option in your control center. To start screen recording, just tap on it, then select while using the app. Now, if you want to record system sound, just enable this toggle. And if you want to record your sound from the microphone on your smartphone, just enable this toggle. And once you have set your screen recording options, then tap on Start Recording to start screen recording on your Oppo phone. And once you do that, you will start screen recording on your Oppo phone. Now, if you tap on the microphone icon, you will turn off the microphone while screen recording. And if you tap on the speaker icon, you will turn off system sound recording while screen recording. Now, if you want to pause screen recording, just tap on pause and it will pause your screen recording. And if you want to play your screen recording back on, just tap on the play icon and it will start screen recording. And once you're satisfied with your screen recording, just tap on the red icon to save your screen recording. Now, to find your screen recording, just open the gallery app. And from here, you will find your screen recording. And once you do that, you will start screen recording on your Oppo phone. If you want to turn off speaker, you will turn. And this is how you can screen record on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.